So good afternoon dear students. Before class discuss about the decimals. So how to represent by decimals means decimals represented by either terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. What is the definition of the terminating decimals means a decimal with the only finite number of places. It is called a terminating decimals. A decimal with only finite number of places, it is called a terminating number. So example is, so 1 by 2 is called 0.5. So after decimal point only one number, it is a finite number. So another number is 0.25. This decimal after only two numbers is there, it is a finite number. Another example is 2, 3, 5, 6. Only finite number of places, it is called a terminating decimals. Another definition is non-terminating decimals means a decimal with infinite number of places, it is called a non-terminating decimals. The example is 1 by 6 is equal to 0.1616. There is no end. Finite infinite number of places, it is called a non-terminating decimals. So 0.25, 25, so on. So infinite number of places, it is called a non-terminating decimals. The terminating decimals are nothing but a decimal with only finite number of places, it is called a terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals means a decimal with infinite number of places, it is called a non-terminating decimals. So now decimals values how to convert to the rational numbers. First question is 0 point convert as rational number. This is the final decimal or else decimal number. How to decimal point to convert the rational number means 0.5. First take consider values into 1. 0.5 into 1 is 0.5. So how many digits after point is there? Only one number after point is there. That's why how many digits after point is there? Many zeros you can take. Only here only one number, just take only 1 0. So what is the value get? Only 10. So multiply with 10, divide with 10. 10 get cancelled. Finally same values you get. So now multiply with the numerator values. 0.5 into 10 value is called 5 only. The denominator value is 10. So now 5 1 the 5 2 is equal to 1 by 2. It is called a rational number. So everyone understood? Decimal number how to convert to the rational number means what is the given value you take into first multiply with 1. So 0.5 into 1 is 0.5. So now one number after decimal is there, only one number. So one number represent as 0. So what is the value you get? 10 you should get. So multiply with 10 or divide with 10 you can take. So 10 get cancelled. Finally same values you get. Only here assuming. So now 0.5 into 10 value is called 5. So denominator is 10. So 5 1 the 5 2. Finally what is the value you get? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So second question is 0.25. 0.25 take 1. 0.25 into 1 is 0.25. How many digits after decimal is there? 2 numbers. So 2 numbers take has 2 zeros. So what is the value you should get? 100. So multiply with 100, divide with 100. So understanding everyone? First we can take 0.25 into 1 is 0.25. How many digits after decimal is there? 2 numbers. The 2 digit represented you can take 2 zeros. So what is the value you should get? 100. So multiply by and divide by 100 we can take 100 we cancel, same values you get. Only we are assuming. So 0.25 into 100 by 100. So now 0.25 to 100 is called 25. 25 by 100. So 25 1 the 25 4 ja. So what is the value you should get? So 1 by 4. Everyone understood? Third question. 0.125. Same as this. Take what is the given value 0.125 into take 1. 0.125 into 1 is 0.125. How many digits after a decimal is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digit after point is there, we can take 3 zeros. So what is the value? Should get 1000. So 0.125 multiplied with 1000 divided with 1000. So now product 0.125 into 1000 by 0.125 into 1000 is 125. The denominator value is 1000. So now 5 cancel by 5. 5 to the 10. 25 is there. 5 5 the 25. 5 to the 10. Remaining 2 zeros cancel this. 5 5 the 25. 5 40. So 5 1 the 5 8 the. Final answer is 1 by 8. So everyone understood? One digit is there. One digit after decimal is there. Multiply with the 10. Divided with the 10 you can take. 2 digit after point is there. Multiply with 100. Divided with 100 you can take. 3 digit after point is there. You can take. Multiply with 1000. Divided with 1000. So everyone understood? So decimal point how to convert the decimal number means there is a process. Everyone understood? The next this all values are terminating elements. This is also terminating decimal. This one also terminating numbers. This one also terminating numbers because of only finite number of decimals. So you have to clear the next that given non-terminating numbers. How to convert the rational numbers? First question is 0.6 bar. So bar means 6 is number of repeated times. 6 bar means 6 is repeated many times. Means infinite number of 6. This one can be written as 0.6 bar nothing but 0.6 repetition many times. So this consider equation number 1. 0.6 bar. 6 bar nothing but 6 is repetition many times. It is called a non-terminating decimals. How to non-terminating decimals convert the rational number means first what is the given 0.6 bar. 6 bar nothing but 6 is repetition many times. So 6 bar given as 6661. Next one is here one number after decimal is there. We are discussing about before questions here. One number after decimal is there. Multiply with 10. Divided with 10. Same like one number after decimal is there. So only you can multiply with 10 only. So multiply with 10. 10 into 0.6 bar. Nothing but 10 into 0.6 bar value is 0.6661. So product 10 into 0.666 means 6.666 so on. This value is nothing but 10 into 0.6 bar. Consider equation number 2. So once again 0.6 bar. 6 bar nothing but 6 is repetition many times. That's why you are writing 666 so on. So one only the line lies on only one number. That's why you can take the 10. So 10 into 0.6 bar is equal to 10 into 0.6 bar value is 0.666 so on. 10 into 0.66 is called 6.6666 so on. Now subtract from equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. So what is equation 2? 10 into 0.6 bar is equal to 6.6661. First equation is 0.6 bar is equal to 0.6661. Now subtracting, take minus. So now 10 into 0.6 minus 0.6. 10 minus 1 9. So 9 into 0.6 is equal to 6 minus 0, 6 only, 6 minus 6, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 0, 0, so on. So what is the answer you should get it? 10 into 0.6 minus 0.6 nothing but 9 into 0.64 is equal to 6 minus 0 value is 6. 6 minus 6 0. 6 minus 6 0. 6 minus 6 0. So 6 minus 6 0. So what is answer giving? 9 into 0.6 bar is equal to 6.0000 so on. So 9 into 0.6 bar is equal to 6.00 means only 6 only. What is the value you want only to calculate 0.6 bar? So you should calculate only 0.6 bar. So 9 will go to the other side means denominator value should go. 9 will go to the right side means denominator will go. So 0.6 bar is equal to 6 by 9 it should go to the denominator 6 by 9. So now 0.6 bar value is 6 by 9. So cancellation possibility 3 2 the 3 3 the. So 0.6 bar is equal to 2 by 3. Say everyone understood? 0.65 is a non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means a decimal with the infinite number of places. This is a 6 bar can be written as 6 bar means 6 repeated many times. Right? 6 writing here many times so on. 0.65 can be written as 0.6 bar means 6 repeated many times. So we can write it repeated 6 6 6 6 so on. So one number lies on the line. That's why we multiply with the 10. So 10 into 0.65 is equal to 10 into 0.64 value is 0.6666 so on. So now product 10 into 0.666 is called 6.6666 so on. Now subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. We are writing equation 2, we are writing equation 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So 0.6 is equal to 6 minus 0, 6. Everything will be 0 only. So 9 into 6 bar. 9 into 0.64 is equal to 5 and what you should get 6 only. So now only should calculate only this value. So 9 is equal to the denominator. 0.64 value nothing but 6 by 9. So calculation is possibility 3 2 the 3 3 the is equal to 2 by 3. So everyone understood? It is clear. The next question is very easy you understand. So be careful is your exam. If you have any not understanding, so please ask me. So second question is 0.13 bar. 0.13 bar. So what is the equivalent test? 0.13 bar is equal to 0. Bar lies on the two numbers. What is the number? 13 repeating many times. So 13 so on student. Consider the equation number 1. The line lies on the two numbers. Which two numbers? 13. So line lies on the two numbers means 13 repeated many times. That's why we are writing many times or repeated times. So now the line lies on the two numbers. So multiply with 100 we can write. Multiply with 100. 100 into 0.13 bar is equal to 100 into 0.13 bar value is 0.13 so on. Consider the equation number 2. Subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. So first we should write the equation 2. 100 into 0.13 bar is equal to correct value 100 into 0.13 is called 13.13 so on. So 0.13 so on. Second value is 0.13 bar. On equation number 1 0.13 so on. Now subtracting 100 minus 1 is 99. So 99 into 0.13 bar is equal to 13 minus 0 is 13. So 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 0 so on. So final what is the answer you should get? 99 into 0.13 bar is equal to 13. 13.0 value is only 13. That's only writing here 13. Which value what only? 0.13 value. What is the extra? 99. So 99 is the same is 99 will go to the right side means denominator will go. So 0.13 bar is equal to 13 by 99 will go to the denominator. So 99. So cancellation is not possible. So 0.13 bar value is 13 by 99. Okay, everyone understanding? Everyone understanding? 0.13 can be written as 0. The bar lies on the two numbers means these two numbers are repeated many times. That's why you should write it 13, 13, 13, so on. So now there are the bar lies on the two numbers. That's why multiply with 100. 100 into 0.13 is equal to 100 into 0.13 value is 0.131313 so on. So now 100 into 0.13 value is 13.131313 so on. Now subtract from equation 2 minus equation 1. Finally you should get 99 into 0.13 means 100. 100 into 0.13 minus 0.13 means 99. 0.13 is equal to 13 minus 0 value is 13. 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 0 0. Is 0 0 0. So only should calculate 0.13 bar. So 90% is denominator. 0.13 bar is equal to 13 by 99. So everyone understood? So next question is the third question is 0.023 bar. So now 0.023 bar is equal to 0. The line lies on the three numbers means these three numbers repeated many times. So you can write repeated many times. 0 to 3 repeated many times. 0 to 3, 0 to 3, 0 to 3, so on. So now the bar lies on how many digits? 3 digits. So multiply with 1000. Multiply with 1000 only can get 1000 into 0.023 bar. So now product 1000 into 0.23 bar value is nothing but 0.023, 023, so on. So product will get finally 23. 0 to 3 is 0. So consider equation number 1. This one consider equation number 2. After that, subtract from equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. So 1000 into 0.023 bar nothing there is 023.023. So on equation 1 is 0.023 bar is equal to 0.023. So on subtracting here plus will change negative, here also plus will change negative. 1000 minus 1 is 999 into 0.023 bar is equal to 023.0000. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. Remaining everything will be 0. So finally you should get 1000 into 0.023 bar is equal to 023 values means 23 only. So only you should calculate 0.023. 3 will go to the denominator. So 0.023 bar is equal to 23 divided by 1. Here is the final answer. So everyone understood? 0.023 means bar is there. The line lies on the three numbers. Means 0 to 3 repeated many times. That is writing repeated many times. The line lies on the three numbers printed 1000. So 1000 into multiply with 0.023 values. Finally you should get is 23.023 so on. Subtracting from equation 2 minus equation, finally the answer is 999 into 0.023 is equal to this one minus 0 is equal to 23 should get 13 into 0. Only should calculate 0.023 bar. Finally should get 0.023 is equal to 23 divided by 1. So everyone understood? Thank you to everyone.